Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the weekly brief with the host, the one and only Kenny Simpson with the Simpson team. So this week, I wanted to talk about a couple things. Number one, VA loans. We now have VA loans. It's unlimited, but not everybody goes unlimited. But we have VA loans with our favorite lender, has the best pricing to $4 million, 100% financing available. If I can help you or your client or anybody, let us know. The second thing I want to talk about is the market update, right? We talk about week over week, what's changing, what's happening, what's going on. I kind of made a little prediction in my videos prior. It's a good thing about shooting content. You can always go back and say, see, I did say this. But anyways, what I'm noticing is that the summer vacations are ending. People are going back to more work, back to school, more of the daily routine, right? But what I'm noticing is that buyers are starting to pick up. People that were pre-approved that kind of sat on the sideline, that were like, this market's way overheated, it's way too much. Maybe the June, the July, and the August, they're starting to come back around. They're starting to look at properties. They're starting to put offers in. They're seeing the price reductions. They're seeing that nobody is overpaying. They're seeing properties sit on the market. They're seeing that, hey, I can get a seller credit for this or a seller credit for the buy down. So we are starting to see more buyers come out. They're starting to see that pricing looks better. This looks like a better opportunity. And they're starting to write offers, and we're starting to get into escrow. So I don't know if you guys are seeing out there. That's what I'm noticing. As I said, we look at the market month over month. We check it out week over week. The other thing I want to talk about is inventory. So there's a little thing going on with inventory. Everybody says, oh, here in San Diego, the inventory is rising. But what I learned from my buddy Logan at Housing Wire is that's not technically true. So what is happening is if you look at new listings, they've actually gone down from May, June, July. They're going down. So how do we have more inventory? That's because the inventory, for example, that was in July that didn't sell is creeping over to August. And the inventory that's not selling in August is creeping over to, right, it's going to be September. But then anything pending is counting in inventory. So what we're really looking for here in San Diego is the new home listings. If that number is going down, that's not really helping our supply. Also, home builders have continued to, they're not going to build anymore. They're going to finish what they have. If anything's shovel ready, they're going to put it on the sideline and wait, because they're going to wait for rates to come down or demand to tick back up. So I don't know what you guys are seeing. Let me know. Anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Have a great week. Until next week.